In IT, we love to use buzzwords like Internet of Things, big data, and 5G. The problem is that these sometimes nebulous or arbitrary terms don't really make it clear what they actually mean to our clients, and in some cases, our own IT staff members. The cloud is one of those terms. When tech companies say your data is in the cloud or that you can work in the cloud, it has nothing to do with the white fluffy things in the sky. It has a terrestrial home, lots of somewheres, and the network of servers find what you need and deliver it. For our organization, currently, our main cloud service provider is Microsoft Azure, and your workload will be in their Canada Central and Canada East data center. In the future, we will look at federated cloud, but more on that in the future. The cloud refers to software and services that run on the internet, instead of locally on your computer. Examples of popular cloud services include Google Drive, iCloud, Netflix, and more. These are all examples of consumer solutions of cloud services. This training series, however, will be focused on the business and enterprise applications of the cloud for the agency. There are many advantages of the cloud, but the key advantages of the cloud for our organization are efficiency and cost reduction, data security, scalability and elasticity, disaster recovery. Now, let's take the time to dive deeper into each one. Efficiency and cost reduction. Using cloud infrastructure, you don't have to spend large amounts of capital on purchasing and maintaining equipment. This drastically reduces the capital expenses that divisions must spend to support projects. You do not have to invest in hardware, facilities, utilities, or building out a large data center to grow your business. Furthermore, using the continuous integration and deployment pipeline that the cloud team has developed, you and your team members can get on-demand and configured compute resources within minutes. Data security. One of the major concerns for every business, regardless of size and industry, is the security of data. Cloud offers many advanced security features that guarantee that data is securely stored and handled. Cloud service providers have implemented baseline protections for their platforms, such as authentication, access control, and encryption. From there, organizations supplement these controls with added security measures to bolster cloud security, ensuring tight access to sensitive information. Statistics Canada is working diligently with IT security to ensure the agency's cloud implementation meets all necessary security controls for protected B compliancy. Scalability and elasticity. Different projects have different IT needs. Using cloud is a great solution because it enables the projects to efficiently and quickly scale up, scale down, and scale out their infrastructure according to business demands. Scalability and elasticity minimizes the risk associated with in-house operational issues and maintenance. The benefit of scalability and elasticity is probably the greatest advantage of the cloud. Disaster recovery. Cloud-based services provide quick data recovery for all kinds of emergency scenarios, from natural disasters to power outages. Cloud infrastructure can also help you with loss prevention. If you rely on traditional on-premise approach, all your data will be stored in data centers focused in a closer geographic area. With our cloud service providers, the separation of geography spans across a much larger geographic area. So, in this lecture, we talked about what the cloud is and what we're looking to accomplish with it. We talked about Microsoft Azure being our main cloud service provider for the time being and which regions we use. And finally, we talked about what are the core reasons why we think the cloud is important to us and the advantages we think it will provide us. While this section was really brief, the next video will highlight some of the useful training resources that we've gathered to allow you to dig deeper into cloud fundamental training. See you in the next video.